Hey guys. We're gonna be doing small glow up. I'm just gonna like fix myself. I'm gonna do a little haul because I just ordered a bunch of stuff online. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's just start with showing you what my hair looks like now. Oh my gosh, I don't even remember. Sorry, sometimes I switch back and forth between American and whatever that is called. So it's a little bit crazy. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna go straighten it. Okay, I decided you probably don't want to see me straighten my hair because that's not really that entertaining. So I'm gonna do a cool transition, okay? Never, not gonna work. Now we're gonna do a haul. Oh, I stubbed my toe. They have ribs. You can't see. First group of things. Transition. Second, these are the same shorts, different shirt. What should I do for this transition? Okay, once again, I tie the bow at the back. Moving on to a new pair of shorts. Okay, this is the blue shirt. I tied the bow in the back. Okay, this is the last shirt. It's like this orange red color and it has a pocket. This outfit. Okay, those are all the shirts. Actually, I'm lying. I have a hoodie too. So let's just put that on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Last pairing. Thanks for watching my haul. I forgot to mention, all of this stuff is from Hollister. So it's 2:34 a.m. right now. From being a little bit quiet. Don't want to wake up the family. Those are all the clothes. Right there in a nice pile for them to get wrinkled. Ouch! I'm a professional YouTuber. I just realized I filmed this whole thing with my camera facing up. Why am I stupid? Okay, I guess I'm gonna turn it back. There, now it's normal. Anyways, I'm gonna do a TikTok dance. Into the morning. This is the one that I learned. It's on my TikTok. My TikTok will be right there. If you wanna go follow. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. It's like, wait. Okay, now it's morning and it's 1:37. So I look like a different breed in the morning. I just woke up and we're about to leave. We're kind of okay, so it turns out I didn't vlog earlier, so now I'm back home and I have nothing to show you. So what should I show them? Maybe I'll film a room. Maybe I'll film a room tour.
I'm famous. I have like 5 subscribers. Today we'll be making, I thought it was Tostinos. Totino's. That doesn't sound right. Pizza rolls. Totino's? It's literally Tostinos.
Totino!
It's Totino's!
Totino's, just like it says.
There's people
Well,
at
I
our
want
house.
her.
Wait, can I vlog it? Can I go down there? That's way too many. Okay. Chickens. And now, we wait.
We're gonna go down.
Wait, you have what? I love those. One chicken,
Yeah,
Two
they
chicken?
come back in this morning.
3 chicken, 4 chicken. I want 4.
Brandy. And Brandy just dropped that one off.
Sup, currently it's 11 and I'm gonna film a room tour because apparently I said I was gonna do that earlier, so here we go. Okay, we walk in. First thing, actually this is the first thing you see. It's kind of something. Okay, anyways. Here is my mirror, my first mirror. Crap, I missed something. Okay, here's my door. Has pictures on it. And then here's my first mirror. We continue going along. And here is my desk. Here's some stuff. My friend made that for me, so it's there. Here's a shell from Jamaica and turtle from the Cayman Islands, and there's just some random stuff. And some more stuff. Moving on, my closet. Here's my dresser, my TV. We have LEDs, my record player, my blanket basket that's overfilling because I have too many blankets. Here's my second mirror. And then we turn, then we have my whatever it's called in my bed and whatever it's called. Okay, and yeah, and then we just have more random stuff.